Alright, here's my E6000 glue that I use every day. It's flexible and I use it for my crafting. What I do is I have tons and tons of broken jewelry, and I do art pieces and I make sculpture out of the broken jewelry. So I do use it on a daily basis. It doesn't dry immediate. It has a lot of flexibility, so if I put a piece of chain in there, I can move it around before it sets. So I don't recommend it for anything porous like paper, fabric, or wood, that sort of thing. Remember to keep the cap closed, because it'll constantly ooze out. So, but once it dries, you can never get the cap off again. You have to use a little bit of a wrench, because unless you're Superman, it's a little tight opening it up. Just simply use a tiny hole if you're using just one-time use, because it'll constantly keep oozing out. What else can I say about it? Perfect for various jewelry crafting or repairing situations. And once it's completely dry, it dries clear. It's slightly flexible, so there's no, you can reapply it with just a drop of pearl or a rhinestone, or it's a permanent wax. Okay, so enjoy, and I constantly use it every day. So that's the E6000 Glow Craft Glue. Hope this helped. Enjoy some of my crafting.